So hello guys, today I'm going to make Bungeoppang. So I've soaked this in water for about 2 hours. So I need to boil this. So while the red beans are boiling, we're going to make the paste. I'm going to use the hot cake mix. If you don't have a hot cake mix, I will write the recipe down for the mix. So 1 egg for about 150 grams of flour or the paste mix. I'm going to add some water. You want to make the paste a little bit watery. Perfect. I'm going to reboil it. This is hot water to speed things up. You need to boil it a lot because the red beans have to be mushy, so I need to boil it a little bit more, well, way more. I advise that when you cook the red beans to use low heat in the second time. Now I'm going to add half a spoon of salt and 3 large spoons of sugar. I think we can mush it now. So this is the анг금 that we're going to use for the bungeoppang. I think I need a bigger one. Wait. Where's my Santa Claus one? So much better. I do the traditional way so I don't get any of the peels in. You can actually blend it, but it's up to your choice, but this tastes much better this way. We have to reboil this. It's like making a jam, or like jam for red beans. You just need to like give it a little bit more time. It needs to be less runny than this. I think we're done for the filling. Basically, we're gonna use this for the paste and this for the анг금, which is the filling, and butter and some oil. Vamos! Ta-da! I'm gonna use low heat, just some butter, and butter on this side as well. Scoop of the red bean filling. And then you just need to cover it with the paste again. And then I'm gonna close it. It's important to not open it until you think it's ready, because otherwise the pattern will be diffused a little bit. So I need to have patience when making this bungeoppang. Oh, it smells really good. Voila! Let's see the other side. Voila! It's actually very well done. Except for the tail. You see how the tail needs a little bit more of a paste? You can use a chopstick, or if you have a fork, it's okay. Just poke it. Oh my god. And if there's nothing attached, then it's all cooked in the inside. 1, 2. Ta-da! This time I'm gonna try using the spray oil and see whether it works better. This time till the tail. Put some in the tail as well too. Let's see. Perfect. It's a golden fish. Goldfish, goldfish, bungeoppang. Goldfish, goldfish, bungeoppang. Let's see the other side. Perfect. We got it up till the tail. So this one we can just like cut it off. Ooh. 2 before. I got 2 friends here. 1 more. Oh my god. Ta-da. 4 goldfish in the house.